is where we have the fabrics that I love because they move around real easy. No ironing, no steaming, it's not a lot of anything, right? On this side is the more stiff fabrics, the ones that you have to iron, you have to steam, you have to do your hand mechanics to pleat because it doesn't do it on its own like these do. And the thing with this, like I do love this sequin because it is good quality. However, you will see the difference because you guys will come and just touch the different textures. When using this, I would not create a swoop or a swag because it's not going to give you, it's not going to move that way, right? It's too stiff. So normally if I'm using something like this with the taffeta on the back, I'm going to use it on the inside. So when I say inside, when you go to backdrop, this is considered the inside. This is considered the inside. This would be your swagging area if you're going that way, right? So I would use this for only the inside because I know for one it's stiff. So if I'm making the pleats, you will see the pleats. But if I'm trying to do a swoop, that looks so harsh, right? So that goes for like all of these blends. If I'm trying to create a swoop, I wouldn't use any of these. I would use these as my fillers. And your fillers is what goes on the inside. It's pretty much just giving you your color, it's giving you texture, and your pleats are going to be straight. When you get to swooping and scalloping, that is these. Even though this is a sequin, for one, you see how sequin it is? And then it's just more, it's more loose. This will give you that, because it's really thin. Same thing with your stretch. This is your two-way stretch, right? This is the jersey knit that everyone's going crazy about because it's $2. This is lace. I put your envelope. I saw it. I liked it, so I got it. And then this is your spandex. Spandex, as of right now, is my favorite because it gives you a more premium look. It got a little.
So guys, if you liked the video that you just saw, guess what? You can click either one of these videos below to get even more tips, tricks, and resources, right? But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell so you can get the notifications so you know every Tuesday and Thursday when I upload a new video. Stay tuned, be blessed, and again, share this video. Have anything you'd like to see specifically? Put it down below in the comments and I'll be sure to get it on the schedule.